Good morning, everyone!
Good morning!
Okay, how you feel today? Let's do a little check-in.
Oh.
1 to 6, how are you feeling? Okay, Paula?
I feel like number 2.
Okay, you are kind of disoriented. Why? Tell us.
Because I woke up late, so I feel so tired.
Okay, do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have 2 cats.
And do they look like the two?
No, one of them looks like the number 3, and the other one looks like number 1.
Okay, funny. That's interesting. Someone?
I feel like number 6.
Number 6, why you are
Because I'm feeling like a chill guy.
Okay, that's amazing. Now we're going to move on. Good. Today we're going to talk about the daily routine. Daily routine are actions or habits that people do in their everyday life, right? To start, we are going to learn new words. Please, what he's doing?
He is waking up.
Okay, please repeat. He is waking up.
He is waking up.
He's waking up, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's starting the day. Now, what am I doing, guys? If I do this,
Please, you are brushing your teeth.
excellent. Repeat. I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
Okay, now next picture. What is she doing, guys?
She is taking a shower.
Excellent. Please repeat. She is taking a shower.
She
Right?
is taking a shower.
Right? Yeah. Now, what am I doing when I do this?
¿Está comiendo?
Sorry. I actually don't speak Spanish. Can I tell me in English? Sorry. You are eating. I'm eating. Yeah, I'm having breakfast. Please repeat. I'm having my breakfast.
I'm having my breakfast.
Excellent. Okay, guys, now we're gonna work in pairs, right? So please do a mimic and your partner need to guess. Now, go ahead.
You are brushing your teeth.
Okay, you're improving, guys.
Okay, I think you're drinking a shower.
No, I don't think a shower.
Okay, guys, here we have something, please. We don't drink a shower, okay? We take a shower. We take the shower in the bathroom. We cannot drink it. Okay?
Okay.
So repeat after me. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Excellent. Now move on. We need to connect the action with the image. If you need something, I can make it bigger, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now, please go ahead. Haida.
Yes. This?
This one. Right.
Okay. So, I think it's taking a shower.
Taking a shower. What do you guys think? You think it's good? It's wrong?
It's good.
I think it's good.
It's good.
Excellent.
I think that it's go to school.
Going to school?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Right.
That's cuánto ya.
Teacher, I want to participate.
Okay, go on.
I think
that one. Like that. With brush my teeth.
Brushing? Do you think that that is actually brushing their teeth?
I think.
Let's see. Excellent!
Teacher Mimi.
Go ahead, Adriana.
This is put on my makeup.
Makeup, yeah?
Makeup.
Excellent. Now, what about this? What he's doing?
There is watch TV.
What TV? Yeah, excellent. Now, what about this one? Paula?
I think that is get dressed.
Yeah, he's getting dressed, he's getting ready. Right. Okay guys, we have two left. What do you think would be waking up, go to bed? Let's see.
Miss, what is she doing in the first picture, in this picture?
Okay, you can see it is dark. She's with his pajama, with her pillow, right? What do you think she's going to do?
Go to bed, I think.
Go to bed. What do you guys think? We agree?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Going to
Let's
bed.
see.
Yeah.
Let's see. Excellent.
Excellent.
Now the last one, waking up. Right guys, let's practice. We're going to talk about our daily routines. No. Write 3 sentences about your daily life. Right? Right.
Miss, how can I say when
You put on.
you come my
Yeah.
Teacher Laura, how can I say when
Okay. When you wake up and wash your face. Right?
Teacher, I have a question.
Okay.
I can say when my hair.
Okay, you can say you are brushing your hair,
Brushing my hair.
or you comb your hair, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, for this activity, you guys have 5 minutes. Please start.
A few moments later.
Now, guys, we are ready to finish. Yeah. Okay, you want to participate? What about Paula? Tell me.
I wake up at 6. I eat breakfast and I brush my teeth.
Okay, excellent. Can I make a question like, do you brush your teeth after or before breakfast?
After breakfast, obviously.
Okay, so you can add it to your sentence. Like, I brush my teeth after breakfast. Okay, now guys, repeat after me. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth
Excellent. After
after
having breakfast.
having breakfast.
Excellent. Right. Okay, guys. So we're gonna review some mistakes with the name day.
We learned that we have to say take a shower instead of drinking a shower.
Excellent. That's because we're gonna actually drink, eat, a shower, right?
Yeah.
Okay, something more? Another one?
We have to say he's waking up instead of he's waking.
Excellent. Some questions, yeah, Laura. First, then Adriana. So we learn how to say room or rooms. Excellent.
And also I learned how to say breathe. comb or brush my hair.
Excellent. And that's something really important, guys. We have different ways to say one same action or habit. But it works. So now I guess that's all. I'm really happy you're really growing your reading routine. So please continue practicing.